up, B? It's the Boss Buddy. Hey, I'm here to make your day. Put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet. Be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boss Buddy! Anise Hyssop. It's so cool you can drink it in a cup. I'm not talking about your niece. Sheesh. This is a plant native to USA. Yay. So planet please. The scientific name is Agastache Foeniculum. It gets all the pollinators to come. The bees, the birds, and the butterflies. What a beautiful sight to my eyes. The bees dance to romance with the Agastache Foeniculum. Bzz, bzz, bzz. I love the way they hum. Anise Hyssop. It's so cool you can drink it in a cup. This perennial like sandy soil, and it blooms purple and blue. Hoo. It blooms in the summer and it can grow tall. Its height won't be under 3 feet at all. Anise Hyssop. It's so cool you can drink it in a cup. This plant likes the partial sun, the full sun, the shade, you name it, it will crave it. Ooh. So stop spraying bug spray on this favorite plant of mine, or else you're gonna pay some pretty bad fine. Literally, because of pollination by insects, our plants propagate. We get crops, which farmers sell, and we live quite well because we have food. It puts us in a yummy mood. Anise Hyssop. It's so cool you can drink it in a cup. Don't call bees pests. Without them, the crops and the farmers will never do their best. So get out there and plant a bunch of Anise Hyssop. It's so cool you can drink it in